everyone, Different Cookies here. Today we are back at the rock place that we were at a few months ago. And if we come down here, if I quickly switch my camera angle, as you can see, we have a couple things. We're going to absolutely artillery off this like 20-foot ledge. Oh! No, we're not. But you can kind of see. Come on. Assistant, go get us some more stuff while I do. Put those down.
Oh, I hit a tree.
Alright. I'll take it one. So.
I gotta get my mic.
Here we go. Actually, hold on. Alright, this is what I'm used to. So here's our stick. Yeah. And right about there. Let's take a other small pile of things. Starting with this other stick. Oh! Tanner! I got one right in the trench line. That's my grandmother you just saw. See this? It's a pine cone. It's very spiky.
Help me get these up.
Alright. Let me throw this. Ugh. Oh! I think that one hit that large rock plant. Alright, give me 1 second to help my cousin. Alright guys, now that my assistant is back here, we have a load of stuff to throw down. Let's start with this one. And
You want me to go down there and try to get them?
no, that's fine. Ugh.
That good one?
Nah. Alright, hit that
A
tree.
lot farther than you can.
It hit that tree. Well, you know what?
That
I'll let
looks
my
like a
assistant
bomb.
throw this one. Throw the one that looks like a German hand grenade.
Oh,
Yeah. Alright. Now, assistant, if you would please go down to the trench line. Alright, now that my assistant has gotten himself around, I'd say 20 feet out, 30 feet down. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the stick. Where was it? Oh, I see it. I saw it.
Want me to go get it?
No. Alright. Now we're looking at probably the one that get the most distance right here. There's some people behind me. Don't want to accidentally hit them or get them on camera. That's splintered in like 2 pieces. Alright. Last one. This mega stick that looks like it should be a sword. No, that's fine.
Don't kill me or you don't hit me or you give me $1 million.
Whoa! Alright. That was good. That was cool. Hey guys. I thought I wouldn't make some I thought I would make some more bonus content for this video as it was quite short. I'm currently in Gollum's crib. On to the next location. Alright. Found this one again with my assistant. I'm about 10 feet up. This one right here. Let's see if I can conquer this on camera. I don't think I will. Hand up here. Assistant, camera angle me. Let's see. No. You want me to try? There's also this little thing. It looks like gills. So this is quite interesting. Alright, next location. Alright. Another location. Where this time more like 15 feet up. This is kind of what the entire preserve looks like. So, yeah. This rock that I was just on, I call Dragon Rock because, well, one thing, someone put that little eye on there. Two, this looks like a dragon, like they have the nose, teeth, whatever. Now, the next location. All right, now we're at our probably last location. Look at this giant tree gate graveyard. Oh.
Those trees are falling, I think.
Oh, that could have been bad.
This is the branch we should have got.
Look how big this tree is. I wear a size 7. Look how big it is. Oh, alright, hold on.
Fort.
Alright, we found what seems to be a fort. However, I'm not going to go inside because, for all I know, there could be snakes, raccoons, and other perilous things inside. Actually, wait.
There's nothing.
Okay, that's kind of cool.
What about
Alright,
this? This is like a tent.
now, since this was our last location for today,
No, we gotta go river.
okay.
The cool
One
river
more
place.
One more location, and then I'll cue the outro. All right, this is our actual last location.
Don't get in the mud.
I'm not.
It's down there where we want to eat.
I'm not. But this is a very cool place, Billowville Ledge. So, I suppose, cue the outro. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's extra video. I shall see you all probably this weekend for our Christmas stuff. Peace.